I want to see his home.
Yeah,
Yeah? You, how old are you?
81.
81? 81, 71. Any other brothers in the middle? No.
Like
Nana, how are you? Hola. This is your home? This is your home?
Yeah.
Okay. Whose land is this? Whose land?
Oh, native land.
Native land? Oh, lease land.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll try and build your home, eh? Okay. But those people who want to have their home repaired or build new home, you go to the Commissioner Wetlands office.
Itu sandalnya baru itu penunjukan
You go to identify to Santali Warana survey result. Okay. Itrovi. Serwa. Come to within 2 minutes.
Hindi na kailangan niyasaw.
Ay, ibig na naman.
Ito nang wala nga nga imot.
Diyan. Eh? Ano na ito ako? Kita dyan ang muni akan yung mga guniga.
Sige daw.
Mari. Plus lang anak ko. Nagtatalong doon mga guni. Eh? Yan. Pero doon ko kasalaga doon sa Pulau Seri. Nah, wanum doon. Ano kita uritan may kibit? Di po. Hindi rin may vital mo. One ride kita pinag. Eh? Eh? Okay. Whose land?
It's my land, buy from Timothy.
Oh, you lease from Timothy.
Matagali land.
Matakali, lease from Timothy. So where you staying?
I stay with my friend, my neighbor.
Where is your family?
I stay with
How many children you have?
three.
Schooling?
Yeah.
Where?
We are married. My company is time.
January, barka boss, give you one job. Ano? Ito ka naman ng...
Get some food today, yeah?
Okay.
Some more time. You're going in?
Yeah, I want to. Give her. Nila ko sumanda na notice, eh? Yeah. And the other one.
I'm taking him.
Yes? But it'll be done. Okay? In the meantime, we stay with the family. Okay. Yeah? Kalau tu quotation tu rumah dia. Kalau satu udara, kalau tu nanti udara mata kesetar. Pakam. Dulu ngakam. Set. Okay.
So good, man. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah.
Serana. Yeah. You will explain.
Yeah. You hear that, eh? They're gonna come in.
This one, see all three. Go to that,
Go.
kerosene.
Oh.